haven't been to that class in a little while now, you're still, even though it's not locked down, you're still maybe a little bit feeling a little bit locked down, and you're in your house and you still wanted to work this part of your body. We want to get this nice and firm, so you can use a ball if you've got one of those balls, or you can just use your hands, or you can put a cushion or something in between your hands there. And what I'd like you to do is push gently. As you're pushing gently together, your hands together, what you're doing is you can imagine your belly button is going up and in, and you're going to hold it nice and firmly. So we're going to do that up and in, and you're not holding your breath, and you're not tensing up your body like that. You're relaxed, your shoulders are down, your belly button up and in. You're holding it as a nice gentle hold, holding in your core muscles. Just keep that position. Every time you push in, you're going to do that movement, and then you're going to relax everything. Okay, you're going to do that movement, up and in, relax, up and in, relax, and you're also pulling in your pelvic floor as well. So we're going to do 3 more. 1, relax, 2, relax, 3, relax. Okay. You can do this at short intervals throughout your day. Even if you're sitting down and you don't want to do the hand movements, you can still up and in again. Keep your shoulders down, keep breathing, up and in, gentle hold. And it's as important to relax the muscles as it is to pull them in. Alright, so that's something you can do, a little tip at your desk, wherever you are, and you're still moving.